Welcome back, cat babes. So in today's tutorial, as you can see here, I thought it'd be fun to do a drag look, and this is what I came up with. And if you'd like to see how to achieve this really simple and easy look, just keep watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and a like, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Hi cat babes! So in this video we'll be doing a drag queen look, and we're going to use the Weekend Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. So the first step is you're going to want to go ahead and take an eyeshadow based primer, and I'm using the NYX neutral shade, and you just want to plop that all over your lid, and then you're just going to want to go ahead and take a face powder and rub that all over as well to set it. I skipped that step, and then I remembered that I needed to do that, as you will see. Sometimes I get ahead of myself. And then going into the Weekend Festival palette, you're going to want to pick up the bright pink shade. And you're just going to want to do a cut crease with a small, flat, dense brush. This way you can start to curve out the dramatic cat eye look you'll be creating. And this look, I made it really simple. I just went in with 3 different colors, and that was about it. And just keep blending. And then going into the dark purple shade in that palette, you just want to go ahead and follow the same as the pink. And again, all you have to do here is blend. Just keep blending until you get the desired look. I cut a lot out because it was just a lot of blending. And that's really all you have to do, guys, is blend, blend, blend. And then jumping into the blue shimmer shadow shade, you're just going to want to go ahead and put that all over your lid. I love this blue. It pops so much. It's beautiful. And then going into the liquid felt tip pen by Wet n Wild, just go ahead and cut out a long line for a cat eyeliner look, and then just drag it all the way down. I know I may make it look easy, but let me tell you something. I wipe this stuff off more than I can count to get both sides correct. And I honestly hate doing winged eyeliner, guys. I really do. And then going in with a shade that is a lot darker than I am, just go ahead and put that all over your face. And I did put it on my chest as well because, you know, you gotta look glamorous when you do these kinds of looks. And you gotta have fun too. Yeah, that was hard putting foundation all over my chest and my arms. Not gonna lie to you guys, if you try to do this, it's a pain in the ass. But you gotta make it look good. And of course you want to match. You don't want to be discolored. And then going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Light Peach. Just go ahead and put that everywhere. And you know, drag queens, they like to be really highlighted and really bright-faced. So, hence the reason why I put on a little bit of extra concealer. And that concealer is already really white as it is. But I just, again, I went a little overboard because I wanted it to be dramatic. And I think it turned out good. I had fun with it, so if you ever want to try something different, I would say definitely try this. And then go in heavy with some face powder, make it stand out. You know, use that baking skills that we keep hearing about. Bake at 475 degrees, ladies and gents. And again, just have fun. Always have fun. And then going in with bronzer, I use the Wet n Wild Darkest Bronze because their contour is on point every time they do their makeup, and it stands out even more than their eye makeup. So I went in multiple times to get it this dark because, again, I don't own anything really dark because I'm already really pale. So, and then just going in with the pink shade, go ahead and plop that right underneath your eye, and then step in with that blue shade as well and make your inner corner pop. And this part, guys, was kind of hard to draw that line underneath, but take your time. I did mess up on the other eye, but practice makes perfect. It's like, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? You swim. And then going in with the NYX the NYX White liquid eyeliner, taking a bobby pin, you just want to make white dots as well to make focal standpoints on your face. That part I had fun with. I was like, ooh, dots. I just like to have fun with my makeup. I honestly don't care what people think. If it looks stupid, it looks stupid, but to me, it looks good. I am my own person after all. And then going in with the pink liquid catsuit lipstick by Wet n Wild. Just go ahead and put that all over your lips. And then we went in with the NYX, I think it's Blue Suede lip cream. And I just put that in the middle and blended it out. This is my first ombre lip ever, and I was kind of loving it because it kind of turned purple, and I was like, oh yeah. And then get your highlight popping. You got to be seen from the galaxy, people. You want to beam them out. And then I went in with some Halloween lashes and put them on the top and the bottom. And the bottom lashes, whoo, are those hard. I thought my eyes were going to stick together. But the ones on the top were dramatic. I like those. And that, ladies and gents, is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.